lighting is poor and the weather is cold, but
I don't see an event scheduled for you, sir.
Well, I'm going anyway.
Nice.
for those of you that do not know, the Battleship Texas is currently missing a very large, very heavy section of the ship. Now we're going to take a run down there, see if we can get some drone video of that. Wait a minute. Alexa, all lights off.
Okay.
There we go. Now we're not paying the light company for something we ain't using. Unfortunately, my son has got the Jeep right now, so we're taking the jalopy. All right, we just stopped at Walmart, filled up the gas tank. As you can see, it is 100% cloud cover today, so the lighting is not going to be good unless it opens up by the time we get there. And it's fairly cold for an old man. It's in the mid 50s, and to me that's cool. But hopefully it'll warm up by the time we get there, and we'll get some good shots of the old girl. The lighting is poor and the weather is cold, but
I don't see an event scheduled for you, sir.
Well, I'm going anyway.
Nice.
well, as it turns out, there's too much mist in the air today to be able to get the drone in the air. So my plan is to come back tomorrow and try again. Okay, today is not tomorrow from the other video. Today is today. 2 days ago, we tried to go out and do this video of the Battleship Texas to show you what's missing from the ship. Weather was too bad. I couldn't get the drone in the air because of a light mist that was in the air. So I told you I'd go back tomorrow. Well, tomorrow was yesterday. Today is today. So yesterday, the weather, again, was too bad to put the drone in the air. So instead of going 2 days ago, or tomorrow from 2 days ago, we decided to go today. Now, if today don't work out, we might just have to do tomorrow.